Thank you for watching the video. We're a professional delivery bags manufacturer with 11 years of experience. Our major products include food delivery bags, grocery delivery bags, pizza delivery bags, insulation thermal bags and many kinds of delivery bags. We have designed over 100 styles every year for customers. We have 150 employees and a group of experienced and skilled workers to ensure the high-quality products that we provide to customers. Since the company started, we have produced more than 1,000 styles of delivery bags. Based on different styles, monthly production capacity reaches 20,000 to 60,000 bags. Through years of production management, we have accumulated rich experience. The professional production and service team can provide customers with high-quality products. On the basis of mutual benefit, we sincerely hope to establish a long-term and stable business relationship with you. Welcome for visit our website www.hongsheng.com.hk or email to sales@hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.